Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana, just a couple of things I really wanted to make you aware of here on the chart that are currently coming up or changing. So first of all, Solana obviously came down here. We saw that bearish divergence that occurred up here. It turned around, coming down now. In the previous video, I already showed you here that we might be at a turning point, but it's not obvious yet. Yeah, so what you want to see is here possibly some kind of a reversal pattern or finding some solid support. At the moment, yes, we are finding support, and it's pretty much at the level that I gave you, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So when I draw the Fibonacci levels here, you can see the 50% Fib level is where we currently are finding support. I need to pull that a bit lower here. Here, there you go. So pretty much here at 110 US dollars. No, it should actually be a little bit lower, shouldn't it? No, that's fine. 110 it was, so just adjust it properly. So around $110, and this is pretty much where we're currently finding support. Not falling through. Yeah, this is the relevant support level that where we currently are at. Also, in addition to that, if I go to the 4-hour chart and if I add the 200 period moving average for Solana, and I go to the 4-hour, so you can see that we're also here where the 50-day moving average is. We're also here very close to the 200 period moving average on the 4-hour chart, and you can see that this is actually quite a relevant one because it gave support here. Yeah, for example, it was resistance here, it has been resistance here, and it is one that historically also has been relevant. So it is quite a relevant one in my opinion, and yeah, just wanted to point that out. So we are coming here to a cluster of different support levels. So let me just put that back to the daily chart. And yeah, I showed you in the Cardano video and for example also in the Bitcoin video here potential reversal patterns that are forming. Now here for Solana, I can't see it yet. Yeah, we can't see it yet. However, Solana is moving currently here in a channel. Solana likes channels. And we need to be aware that, yes, we are finding support here, but it's also looking like a bearish flag that we are forming here. So doing something like this, where you're coming down and then you're consolidating here currently, yeah, after an impulsive move to the downside. So bearish flag pattern. And this normally, I mean, more often than not, would also break to the downside. But in my opinion, that breakout would be really only confirmed if we drop below that previous rejection point at $108. And then you're also very close already to the next support at $105. Now, what else is here on this chart? Well, I find it, as I said, I'm not too sure if we're going to turn around here. I think there are other cryptos where we can get a little bit more confirmation, where we can see clearer potential reversal patterns, like for example Cardano, like for example Bitcoin. Can't really make them out yet here on the Solana chart. What could happen, of course, but it is a bit of speculation. What could happen is here something like a bump and run pattern. So what is bump and run? Bump and run means that, yes, you are coming down here quite impulsively. And what you do, basically, you drop down and then you could get something here. Maybe we drop once more, find support at the $105 level. Then we do here a V-shaped recovery. We retest that previous resistance, yeah, and then we move out here. This is called bump and run. A bullish reversal pattern works the other way as well, but here we need then to cross this resistance level where the resistance line was built up here, and we need to break that. This is a potential reversal pattern. So until we see something like that, either a bump and run or here a W pattern, yeah, where we do something like that, come down once more, make a higher low, and then come up, and this would be possible. But until we see that, or even at least a descending wedge, yeah, but I can't make it out yet. What is though very interesting is that we're also making a small bullish divergence here. Again, similar to what we see on the Bitcoin chart, similar to what we see on the Cardano chart. We're making lower lows on the price chart and higher lows on the RSI, the relative strength index, and also higher lows on the MACD, the MACD. So this is pretty much what we are doing here at the moment. Just want to make you aware that yeah, we can see here this bullish divergence. and that we are finding support, important support here. There's a cluster of support just below us. We've come down to the target level, $109, $110. That was the minimum it needed to do in this correction to possibly reverse to the upside. So the possibility is there now. It just needs to do it. Currently, not a lot of volume. Bear in mind, it's weekend. Last couple of weekends, we saw interesting price movements before the Sunday daily close and the weekly close. So let's see. Bitcoin obviously dominating the market at the moment, and Bitcoin also here at a tipping point at the moment. So it's really difficult at the moment to navigate in this market. But of course, I'll keep you updated, and hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership, where you can get access to the Telegram live chat groups, the Discord server with my own buy and sell orders, and also to a weekly live stream. Tomorrow there's another weekly live stream, and tomorrow we're going to cover, I think, as far as I know so far, investing versus trading. So there's a bit of a discussion tomorrow in the live stream. All right, hopefully you liked the video. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.